Today I'm going to show you how to take a Proliphix IMT thermostat off the wall. There's only one correct way to do this without damaging the unit. So let's get started. Below the thermostat, I'm going to show you below real quick. There's a little tab right here, and you're going to press it with your thumb when the time comes. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your fingers on top and your thumb below, like so. You're going to pinch your thumb in the center, that tab I just showed you, and gently hinge the unit up. As you notice, there's two tabs at the top, and there's two corresponding tabs, I guess, at the top of the thermostat itself. Those align. The key thing here is these pins are extremely delicate, so you want to make sure that when you're putting the unit back on, which you're going to do the opposite of what we just did, that you aren't jamming it or forcing it or doing anything that doesn't feel right. So what you're going to do is you're going to align the two tabs on here with the two tabs on there. So basically it's a hinge mechanism. I've got them aligned, and I'm just going to gently snap it back on, not forcing anything. When it comes on and powers on to the unit, you'll see the logo, and it takes about 2 or 3 minutes for it to boot back up. Thank you very much.